Welcome to this week's vlog, and today I'm joining you from the Devon County Show. It's the first of the shows of the season, and I really would urge you to go round the county shows to meet with your office holder team and to make sure that we hear your voices so we understand what's going on within your farming businesses. Many of you will have seen that this week was the Farm to Fork Summit. It was fantastic to have the Prime Minister opening the summit and talking about the importance of food security as part of our national security. He was passionate about the subject. He recognised the challenges of the last 18 months, and I think he understands that we do need some short-term solutions. Around the Farm to Fork Summit, we had many conversations around exactly what support government should be putting in place, and we continue to work on solutions which may be able to plug some of that cash flow gap. I hope some of you know that this week is Mental Health Awareness Week. Now, this is a difficult subject. When we listen to our rural farming charities, many will tell us just how difficult things are out on the farm at the moment. I would urge you to reach out for help. If you think you haven't seen your neighbour recently, pick up the phone, have that conversation, but please do look out for each other. We know that access to finance and interest charges are beginning to have a real impact on many of our members. This week, David hosted the Banking Roundtable.
Earlier this week, I chaired the Banking Roundtable that the NFU hosts every 6 months, and it was good to see a wide attendance from agriculture banks, old and new. It's clear that they're seeing many of the same challenges that we do, particularly when I talk about farmer confidence being at an all-time low, and reiterated the need for a positive attitude to lending, particularly at a time of cash flow crisis. We also had a good discussion about some of the ESG requirements attached to lending that we're hearing about from our members, and made it clear that they must communicate clearly about why this is happening and what it means. Working with the banks is a really important part of the work of the NFU and something we'll continue to do over the coming months.
Thank you very much for listening to this week's vlog. I hope that you're managing to get on with some work and the sun's shining, and look forward to speaking to you all next week.